Hi bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Namhlanje bazala bami nginilethela nje izindaba ezimnandi, izindaba zakamseleko. Guys, last week uMpumelelo uvelele into ebuhlungu, so they are allegedly amaphoyisa angene kakhe fake police bathi bezwe isipofe ukuthi kuneyidakamizwa endlini kaMpumelelo nezinto eziningi ezingekho emthethweni. Bakhuthuza they got a lot of money, bathi they are saying it's 30,000 cash. I do not know why Mpumelelo bakahleli nemali engako endlini, but we don't know. He's a businessman. Mhlambe bengathe uzoyimusa somewhere ngakusasa or something. We don't know why bakahleli ngaleyo mali leyo endlini. They took that money, then bahamba Mpumelelo maka police station only to find out to know amaphoyisa athi asazi lento leyo, we've never sent anyone there. I guess lawo bantu labo amaphoyisa ebefekile abantu abangena emizini abantu claiming to be amapolice. You know, bakhona benza abanye bazenza ama-paramedic, abanye bazenzela abantu abasebenza ngama-Wi-Fi and so on. So I guess futhi insuku i-festive sebuqalile lobo bugebengu, so nani bazalwa bami, so just be watch out. So uMpumelelo makangenela yilabo bantu labo, unfortunately bakangekho one, bekanonkosikazi wakhe wokuqala, which is uMabiyela, amahlebiyela guys. So after that thing, but amahle bekakhala, obviously uzokhala but bekakhala thukile. Remember amahle usoft uzithulele, obviously nawe ungakhala, so ungena abantu banikhahlameza lapho. One thing, something that you do not know now ukuthi yini, but ke indaba ezinhle kuyo yonke le situation le kuthiwa uAmahle is heavily pregnant. Amahle kusho ukuthi anga expect noma kunini. I know abanye abantu they'll be saying on the comment section it's too early, they are not even have a year. I think they have now. Bazothi usheshe wapheka mfundo umfana, as umayeni always advise abomakoti bakhe or intombi zaMpumelelo ukuthi you can date uMpumelelo but ungamithi. You understand? I know a lot of people they say that, but I'm so happy for them. I don't wanna lie, actually. We know that as much as Mpumelelo is deadbeat father, but Baba Mseleko wants umndeni omkhulu, and I know that Baba Mseleko maybe is the happiest man on earth now, because sometimes, you know what, let me tell you guys this, sometimes uNkulunkulu izinto esizicela kuNkulunkulu akasiniki zona, then thina sibone ngathi uNkulunkulu akaphendula, but uthola ukuthi uyinika ingane zethu, or uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ugogo wakho athi eyidala ngifuna mntanami ukuthi kube ne-lawyer la, maso yi-lawyer so feza amaphupho wami. uNkulunkulu akazi ukuthi afeza amaphupho abazali bethu through us, and akazi ukuthi afeza amaphupho wethu through ingane zethu. Just keep on praying, uNkulunkulu uzokuphendula. I guess uMpumelelo naye uNkulunkulu ufeza amaphupho kwababakhe through yena, because he's a businessman, one, which is something babakhe uyayithanda, two, unesithembu, into babakhe ayithandazelayo yena ayithandayo. But Mpumelelo now unamakhosikazi ayi-2 nabo baby mama abayi-3, and he's still young for that. Number 3, uneyingane eziningi. Amahle uzoba nengane, uTirel una-1, uVuyekazi una-2. That means uneyingane eziwu-4. You understand ukuthi ziningi kanjani ingane zakhe at his age. At the age ngaba bakhe nje baqale maye uNkulunkulu angabambusisile ngabo 10 plus, which is umndeni uyakhula, because into Baba Mseleko ayifunayo kakhe ukuthi umndeni ukhula. I'm so happy for them. I don't wanna lie. Umntwana yi-blessing, as much as nami bengathi it's too early, but if umntwana nimplanile and umthole emshadweni, I do not see anything wrong. All I'm praying for ukuthi amahle angayeki isikolo, aqhubeke azokwazi ukuzenzela ingane zakhe, just in case uMpumelelo enza lamathayitha ahlala wayenza kubaby mama yakhe, which is uVuyekazi. noTirelo once complained ukuthi uMpumelelo sometimes unokuskipa anga-maintain ingane yakhe. So bazalwa bami, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.